The subtle art of raising an eyebrow. A guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression that you might have heard or seen in action. Raising an eyebrow. This phrase is a wonderful example of how physical gestures are woven into language to convey emotions, reactions, or attitudes. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's such an interesting part of the English language. Raising an eyebrow refers to the physical act of lifting one eyebrow, usually in response to something surprising, doubtful, or disapproving. This gesture is a universal nonverbal cue that transcends languages, but in English, it's also explicitly mentioned as a phrase to describe a range of subtle emotional responses. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Expressing skepticism. When someone hears something unbelievable or dubious, they might say, "That certainly raised an eyebrow," to indicate their skepticism. Showing surprise. In response to unexpected news, one might use the phrase to indicate being taken aback, as in, "Hearing that news really raised my eyebrows." Indicating disapproval. Without saying a word, raising an eyebrow can convey a message of disapproval or judgment towards someone's actions or words. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. When he claimed he had never eaten a pizza before, everyone in the room raised an eyebrow. Her sudden decision to move to another country raised a few eyebrows among her friends. The CEO raised an eyebrow at the suggestion that the company cut its research funding. While raising an eyebrow is a specific phrase, it's part of a broader category of language that includes nonverbal cues. These cues, such as gestures, facial expressions, and body language, play a crucial role in communication. They add depth and nuance to our spoken words, allowing us to express a wide range of emotions and reactions without saying a word. Understanding phrases like raising an eyebrow enriches your ability to communicate and comprehend English in its full cultural and emotional depth. We hope this video has illuminated this subtle yet expressive part of English language and communication. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about how we use them and the nonverbal messages we pair them with. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together.